Okay guys, sorry about that, and I'm back, and let's continue pasting this. Okay, that okay, you can see that we have different styling there. Let me just get the single and form and edit, delete, well, everything else. Okay, so we have the complete styling, and we're going to add the delete in this video. Okay, let's paste that, and it starts after, okay, with single image, form everything, edit form, edit delete logout, edit logout, delete, and this is the loader that I will show you where you can get this, but let's show that so you can see if you want to copy that. Okay, and this is the WebKit keyframes, so let's save that, and you can see we have this styling that we still need the fonts, but I don't see why I should add them right now. So we have that loader with the edit post, we click that and we have this. Okay, so what we're going to do now is to just delete that. Okay, so this is not only just me showing this, it's just that I had a problem and I had to cut, so let's actually use this chance to update our config and delete the post. So what we're going to do here is this constant storage ref is going to be equals to Firebase dot storage dot ref, and await for the storage ref that child, that is the file ref. The file ref is the name of the image inside Firestore. We're going to delete that, and we're going to catch in case there's an error deleting the image. So let's say console.log error, and we can return also the error. You can do whatever you want here. Let's just say that, and you can say below here console.log image deleted. Now constant post, since we don't have the image, we can now go to Firestore and delete the post that we have using the post ID that we're going to pass inside this function. Delete, and we're going to catch error console.log error in case there's an error, and below this we can say console.log post deleted, and we can also return the post that was deleted, and just like that. So let's test this, and this should work. So let me close the index. Okay, because we need this to be async, that's why async delete post. So we're going to add the delete to this delete current post. So let's we are in the post component. So let me get this. So what we're going to do here is say Firebase that, and we have the delete post. We're going to pass the post ID we have stored in the state, and we're going to have we're going to pass, sorry, the file ref that is stored. Remember that we have stored a post with all the information that is coming from those posts, okay, from that post, and we're going to pass that. Now, after that, we're going to call then, and we are not expecting anything here right now, okay, but it's going to respond with a post. So let's say console log let's not say this, so because we're already displaying that, so we're going to say set redirect true, and we can catch an error if that happens, and console.log error if there's an error with this, so we can say that. So let's save this and let's try. Okay, edit post, delete, image deleted, post deleted, but it's still displaying. Nice. Why is still displaying? Post ID. Post ID, set post ID. We are setting the post ID to the params. Okay, that should be okay. Delete current post is passing that. So it actually said that it was deleted. So let's see, okay. Let's actually try this one again. So it deleted the file, okay, because it's trying to fetch that, but it didn't delete the okay, so it's post ID. Well, that's odd. Let me go to the config. Collection, because I said post. That's why. So if I come back and let's just go to Firebase. Let me just open Firebase in my other screen. Give me a second so I can go to my console and show you what happened. I missed an S here, okay, but since we're passing the file ref, it actually deleted that, but we passed a wrong configuration here, a wrong name of the collection, so it didn't delete that. So let's take a look at this database. Okay, so we have those two, and the storage is only it should only display one. Okay, we have one. So let's come back here and see. Okay, so this is the one that got deleted. So let's say no. What can I delete? Delete document. Yep. Okay, so let's actually delete this one. That this should work. Let me move this out of the way, and let's refresh. Okay, it's nice that we have the state, so we can keep the login state. Edit post, and we're going to say delete post, and you can see we have that deleted, and inside post we have nothing, and if I refresh, the collection should be gone. Okay, it's empty, and the storage should be empty too. Okay, so that's how we can delete the post and the file that is referenced inside that. Okay, so in the next video what we are going to do is to edit the posts. Okay, we still are missing that the update post. So, and also we still need the access control because we don't want, if I log out, if I come back here, if I go to new post, we can see this new post. Okay, we can create a new post even though we are logged out or we are not authenticated. Okay, so we are going to handle the edit and the access control in the next video. That is going to be the last one. So see you in the next one.